Hello, today we talk about the collision between electronics world and intellectual property world. In today's world where the impossible becomes possible, where boundaries of human ingenuity are constantly redefined, lies a force so powerful that it shapes our future, the relentless advancement of electronics technology. Moore's Law, an observation turned prophecy by Intel co-founder Gordon Moore, has been the heartbeat of this revolution. Every 2 years, the number of transistors on an integrated circuit has doubled, unleashing unprecedented computational power at our fingertips. But as we approach the limits of silicon, the question looms: can we continue this pace of innovation? The answer lies in the ingenuity of our scientists and engineers, who are already pioneering beyond silicon with materials like graphene and diamond, promising a new era of electronics. But innovation doesn't thrive in a vacuum. It's protected, nurtured by the shield of patents. These legal fortresses are the bulwarks against the theft of groundbreaking ideas, ensuring that inventors reap the rewards of their creations. In the dance of innovation and protection, patents play a pivotal role. They are the guardians of our technological odyssey, ensuring that today's science fiction becomes tomorrow's science fact. As we stand on the brink of the next great leap in electronics and AI, let's embrace the future, safeguarded by the power of patents. Join us in the journey of discovery and protection. The future is now.